This soap will brighten your skin, it will even out your skin tone, hydrate your skin, clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. This is a brightening soap and a natural soap you want to come up with at home. So it's easy and simple. I'm going to be walking you through on how to come up with this brightening soap at home that will help clear dark spots, that will help clear pimples, and basically to make your skin flawless and well hydrated. So the first thing you're going to do is to get your grater and grate washed ginger with its peel. Ginger is very beneficial to the skin. It helps to brighten up the skin, it helps to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, so it's very beneficial to the skin. So make sure you grate the ginger like so, and make sure you grate it with the peel. After grating the ginger, get it out of the grater like so. The next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a cheesecloth. Then you're going to squeeze it to get the ginger juice. So the next thing you're going to do is to grate your soap base. You can use any soap base, okay, for this recipe. You can use baby soap, you can use basically any soap you want to use, okay, as your base to make this soup. So as you guys can see, I'm grating the soap, okay. So you need to grate the soap so that it will be easy for it to dissolve. When grating the soap, use the bigger part of the grater, okay, to make things easy for you. Because if you use the smaller part, it might be difficult for the soap to, go through the other smaller part. So this side of the grater, okay, is okay, so that it will be easy. So we are done grating the soap, and this is what we have. The next thing you're going to do is to transfer it into a heat-proof plate, okay? We're going to be adding rose water. Then you give it a good mix. So after giving it a mix, you are going to double boil the soap. So it will gradually melt. As you guys can see, it has melted a little. You're going to still leave it to melt. So add the ginger juice. Then here we have orange. We are going to squeeze in the orange juice. So give it a good mix. Add glycerin. Add turmeric powder, orange peel powder, neem powder. Then you mix everything to incorporate. Guys, this soap is a healthy soap. It's going to hydrate your skin, it's going to exfoliate your skin, it's going to brighten your skin. It does a whole lot. So you're going to make sure the soap dissolves completely, and that is what we are doing. Add shea butter. Give it a mix. As you guys can see, the soap is completely dissolved, and that is what we want. So you're going to remove from heat, then you're going to add vitamin E oil and preservative. You're going to leave it to cool a little before adding the vitamin E oil and preservative, okay? So you're going to give it a good mix like so. So the next thing you're going to do is to get your soap mold. Okay, so this is silicone soap mold. Then you're going to pour in the soap like so. If you're not using a silicone soap mold, it's advisable you grease with oil so that it will be easy for it to come out of the mold. But because this is a silicone mold, you don't need to grease, okay? It's going to easily come out on its own once the soap hardens, okay? So gently pour it into your soap mold. Guys, this soap is so amazing. You are going to love it once you try it out. You're going to really see a difference in your skin. If you have a dull skin and you use this soap, like, you're going to see that it's going to brighten up your skin, because this soap is packed with amazing benefit. Like, the ingredient used in this soap is so nice to the skin, okay? So once this is done, we are going to leave the soap, okay, to harden. And this is the soap when it has hardened, as you guys can see. And the next thing we are going to do is on mold. So because this is a silicone mold, it's easy to come out of the mold, and as you guys can see, we already have our soap here, well molded, right? So gently remove the soap from the mold. So guys, our soap is almost ready. As you guys can see, this soap is so amazing. It's what you want to try out, and once you finish making the soap, you can use immediately, okay? Because we created the soap from a soap base, so you can use immediately once your soap hardens. For some instructions and information, check the description box below. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.